Sound waves. Sound is a form of energy which produces the sensation of hearing. This sensation is produced by the longitudinal wave in an elastic medium. Now we will discuss how sound travels through the medium. Here we will see that sound is produced by the vibration. As this object starts to vibrate, it starts to set the particles of the medium around into vibration. In this process, the nearest particle to the source gets displaced from the mean or equilibrium position. Now this particle will collide to the neighboring particle. So this adjacent particle will also get displaced from the mean position, and they do the same thing to the next particles. And this process continues till the sound reaches to our ear. So what is happening basically? Basically we are creating the disturbance, and this disturbance is traveling through the medium. And what we are observing, particles of the medium are not traveling from the source to human ear. It is the disturbance produced by the source which is traveling in the medium. The particles are only oscillating from the mean position. The disturbance created by the vibrating object in the medium is called a sound wave. Now we will discuss the activity which will explain us sound waves travel in the form of the compression and rarefaction. We take air as a medium of propagation, and we have a tuning fork made up of steel. This is the initial condition of the air particle of the medium. We strike its prongs on the rubber band. We start hearing a sound. We look at the motion of the one of the prongs, say one of the right prong. This is the right prong, and we look at the motion of this prong. When it is away from its mean position, it pushes and compresses the air particles around it. This creates high pressure region which is called as a compression. This compression travels in the medium as a disturbance. When the prongs come towards its mean position again, the pressure on the right decreases and keeps on decreasing further as the prong continues motion towards the left. This creates low pressure region known as rarefaction. At this point, the compression in the form of the disturbance has reached the region. This rarefaction also travels in the medium as a disturbance. In this way, we get a series of compression and rarefaction. This continuous sequence of the compression and rarefaction is what we call sound wave. Yes, the sound wave travels in the form of compression and rarefaction.